back to Rainbow Brush. This is Brian, and today we are going to learn how to draw Princess Elsa. That's right, this is the actual drawing lesson for Princess Elsa. We also have another stop-motion version of Princess Elsa, if you love that kind of thing. First off, I want to start you with a trivia question. Now, Princess Elsa is the second Disney princess to have this. What is it? Only the second Disney princess to ever have. Now, this is kind of fun. It's kind of weird. I never would have guessed this because I would have thought that it had happened before, but it hadn't, which actually wasn't that long ago. So, write in the comments what you think the answer would be, and I will tell you the answer at the end of this video. When we're all done with our drawing and we have finished it and it looks beautiful, I'll let you know, so watch to the end. As always, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you love what you see, and hit that like button. Here we are drawing Princess Elsa. Doesn't that look great so far? So we're just starting with a few lines. You put a line here and a line there, and the next thing you know it, you have a princess before you. The cool part of this, as always, is coloring it in at the end. It really makes it pop and it makes it look good, and at the end it actually starts to look like Princess Elsa. I watched Frozen. I loved it. I think it's one of my favorite Disney movies, and I have a lot of Disney movies that I like Lion King. That is a good one, and a million others. So lately I've been drawing a lot on my own. I don't just do this here on YouTube, I also draw at home. I've been drawing a whole bunch of characters like Jack from The Nightmare Before Christmas. And I Lava You, if you've ever seen that Hawaiian song, it is the best. It made my wife cry. It's amazing. You should go check it out. I Lava You, and you will love that Hawaiian song. Man, that's one of my favorites too. I think it was a Pixar short. Can't remember though, I might be lying to you. Hopefully not. Man, look at that hair. Doesn't she have great hair? I don't know, I guess I'm not supposed to say that, but I'm thinking it, so I'm gonna say it. If you didn't see the other Elsa video, which was the stop motion drawing, you need to look at that because the trivia question is how many hairs are on her head. And you would not believe how many hairs, single strands of hair, are on Queen Elsa's head. I never would have guessed. My favorite character from Frozen would have to be the snowman. The snowman is so cute. He is awesome. You have to love him, or you have no heart. Okay, I won't say you don't have a heart if you don't like him, but okay, you don't have a heart. I don't know. There's nothing more I can do about that. I mean, he is the cuddliest, coolest, awesomest snowman in the world. So how are you guys doing so far? You drawing this well? It's really not too bad if you follow along. All right, let's go ahead and answer the trivia question. So the question was, what does Elsa have that none of the other princesses have except for one other? She is the second Disney princess to have powers at all. If I think about it, I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. The other princesses really didn't have powers. They had men. And she had no man in this movie, which was kind of cool for girl power, right? So she had superpowers. I'm gonna say superpowers. She's a hero. Her power, of course, was to control ice and the weather, which is a pretty cool superpower. So now that you know, do you feel smarter? I do. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch Rainbow Brush. As always, I am Brian. I hope you had a lot of fun watching this, drawing along with it, and I wish you the very best. And look at that, at the bottom here, we're gonna have to add, you guessed it, Spider-Man, a little tiny Spider-Man, why not? We do what we want to do in drawings, and you can put anything you want as well into these drawings. Feel free to expand and kind of do your own thing. It's always the best kind of drawing when you do that. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you, of course, on the next video.